So I wanted to do a video showing you hall sensor tests. This is on a G0900 Bafang motor, 750 watt motor, but you could use this process for many different motors. Once you get into the motor and you can find the PCB which holds your hall sensors, 3 hall sensors here, you've got these connections on the PCB, positive and negative, which is a 5-volt signal, H1, 2 and 3, which is hall sensor 1, 2 and 3, and S for speed. So I've fed 5 volts into the positive and negative using those 2 crocodile clips. That is coming from just a standard USB power adapter using a little breakout board, and then the positive and negative of that breakout board connects with the crocodile clips. Another ground coming off the ground there to the multimeter probe ground. So then if I use the positive lead here, you can see, once I turn it on, there's 5 volts on there, yeah, 5.14, 5.13 volts. Now the process is holding the positive lead on the outside leg of each hall sensor whilst rotating the motor so that the hall sensor lines up with the next magnet. You don't need to test all the magnets, just one magnet. You should see the voltage change on here, and it should be roughly the same voltage change for each hall sensor. So we'll do that for each hall sensor and see if any of these are blown up. So we're set up now. Just going to try the first hall sensor here. You can see nothing showing on there at the moment. And there you go, it's just jumped up. And if we go to the next magnet, it should drop again. There you go. You're always going to have a few millivolts, but as long as it changes, there you go, yeah. So that one is all good. So next hall sensor, go back the other way. There you go, it's just jumped up again. And it's dropped off, so that one's all good. Third hall sensor. Absolutely no change. Like micro amount, but that's not to be considered. That is a broken hall sensor. So what's happened there is where this motor got snagged up in the dropouts when it spun out of its dropouts by a customer that sent this in for repair, that has blown a hall sensor at the same time. So we're going to have to remove that hall sensor and replace the entire motor cable to bring this motor back to life.